हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ योर बॉय विशाल मिश्रा एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मेडिको मिश्रा। एंड आज का टॉपिक आपने देख लिया होगा नीचे टाइटल में कि मेरा पहले साल का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था। लाइक व्हेन आई केम हियर, व्हाट वाज माय एक्सपीरियंस इन स्टार्टिंग इन द बिगिनिंग टाइम। सो व्हाट वाज माय एक्सपीरियंस दैट आई एम गोना शेयर along with some snowfall also. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. So guys, अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ थोड़ा बाहर, कुछ काम आ गया था सडनली। एक फ़ोटोकॉपी की दुकान पे जाना है तो वहाँ से कुछ नोट्स वोट्स प्रिंट कराने हैं। सो नाउ आई विल गो देयर, देन विल कम बैक टू होम। फिर हम बैठ के बात करेंगे कि हाउ वाज माय एक्सपीरियंस। सो गाइज नोट्स तो प्रिंट करा लिए, दैट वाज पैथोलॉजी बुक। सो नाउ विल गो टू होम एंड विल टॉक अबाउट माय एक्सपीरियंस इन द फर्स्ट ईयर और व्हेन आई केम हियर, बिकॉज इट वाज सो स्ट्रेंज। लाइक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, योर पेरेंट्स डोंट अलाउ टू गो टू अदर सिटी ऑल्सो, एंड देन सडनली दे सेंड यू टू द फॉरेन जस्ट फॉर स्टडी मेडिकल स्टडीज़ और जस्ट फॉर मेडिसिन। और दैट्स सम आयरनी ऑल्सो इन इंडिया कि लाइक घर वाले बाहर तो जाने नहीं देते, लेकिन जब भेजते हैं तो सीधा बेटा देश से बाहर। तो अब चलते हैं घर, देन विल डिस्कस अबाउट इट। व्हाट्स माय एक्सपीरियंस इन जॉर्जिया व्हेन आई फर्स्ट केम हियर, बिकॉज that was very new, because this is the very first time I came to any foreign country. So that's also something new for me to share with you guys. And right now I'm out. So finally guys, I came at my home after taking those print out of the notes, and now we'll talk about this further video, which I said like I'll share my experience and problems which I had. And very first I had problem with the language, because I didn't know a single word here, and how to communicate with people or how to get in touch with people. That was super terrible experience for me, because I didn't know the language and they also didn't know the English well, because some people know and some people don't know. So it was the first problem which I had. And later on, when I went to my hostel, that very first thing they helped me to ease these things, because in hostel lot of students were there who were internationally came here, mostly from the India and the Middle East countries. So that was a point where I get some friends, they were here for 2-3 years, so they helped me to know the things about here. And the second thing is to cope up with the study system here. That system was like, in India we study whole year in India we study whole year and we give the exam in the end. Like we'll study for whole year and in the end there is exam. No mid semesters, just only quizzes are there in India or some tests. But here the system was completely strange, because here was the system is in some like semester wise system, like every semester you'll have an exam, and that is also having a strange system, like not strange, different. The system of education was here was a bit different, because here education is like semester wise. Like in university we are doing a medicine, like it goes on semester wise system, and also in that we have a different thing like activity marks and the finals. These both have their systems differently. Like in activity, that consists of the major part like 60 marks, and finals that is of 40 marks. So first 60 was like your class activity and your mid exam, which is the most important part. In class activity there must be seminars or presentation. Doctor will ask you like make some presentation or give some seminars. So these things are dependent on teacher, like he can ask you for seminar, quizzes and orals or any kind of thing. And second important part is midterm, which is like out of 60, like midterm is there and rest depends on the doctor. He will take quiz, oral, seminar, presentations, that depends on doctor. So that will comprise 60 marks, and out of that 60 you have to score 31 marks, which is the minimum mark will allow you to sit in the finals. Like out of 60 you need 31 marks to sit in the final exams. I think you'll get it. You got this thing. Like 50% in the 51% in the activity marks. So once you score 31 marks out of 60, then you have to write final. Then only you will be eligible to write finals. Else if you are getting 29, 30, you won't able to write the finals. But there is some different thing. Not different, but slightly changed, because some universities allow like 30 and 21 in their finals. Some universities allow like 31 in activity and 20 in final. So some universities just interchange the things of 1 mark, and every university has different things which I can't know every time. Like, so as I'm in TSU, the system is here is like out of 60 you need 31, and out of 40 you need to score 20. And this thing I came to know about when my first semester about to end. In the very end I get to know about this. Like, this is also system which we need to know. And thank God, by God's grace, I got some good marks, so I couldn't fail any subject. So that was quite grace.